So let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your life and thought something has to change? Because that was me, completely overwhelmed, underpaid, and honestly, just tired. I was so tired. And becoming a business analyst ended up changing everything for me. Not overnight, obviously, not perfectly, but definitely. And I want to show you how you can do it too. Even if you're starting from zero, you don't need tech background, you don't need to code, you don't need to be loud or super confident. You just need the right steps. And that's what we're talking about today. Let's get right into it. So a little about me. I came to the UK young. I became a mom earlier than I ever imagined. And honestly, life forced me to grow up pretty fast. I dropped out of university. I went back. Nothing seemed to stick, and financially it was a struggle. I remember thinking there has to be more than this. I can't raise my son like this forever. I wasn't confident. I wasn't outspoken. I wasn't that girl people assumed will work in tech. Becoming a business analyst wasn't even in my vocabulary. It just wasn't in there for me. But then one day a close friend of mine said, "Pippa, have you ever thought about becoming a business analyst?" And I genuinely laughed because me, a business analyst, it felt like a role for people who were maybe smarter, louder, more put together, more technical. But then I started researching it anyway, and something clicked. I realized it wasn't a coding job. It was more of a thinking job, a communication job, a problem-solving job, a real human skills job. And so slowly I started seeing myself in it. I applied for a junior BA role, not feeling ready at all. And somehow I got hired. And that one yes changed the entire direction of my life. Now, not in a movie kind of way, more like I finally had a path. What do business analysts actually do? We solve problems, we make things clearer, we improve processes, we help teams understand what needs to be built or fixed or changed. We sit between the business and the technical teams, right? We communicate, we organize, we ask questions, so many questions. Hope I haven't missed anything, but those are basically the things we do as business analysts. We don't need to code. You don't need to be a tech genius. You do need curiosity, actually. You need structure. And you also need to have the desire to help people work better. That's it. And the beauty of this is if you enjoy making sense of things, if you naturally take the lead in bringing clarity, if you like organizing things, if you like planning, understanding people, you're already halfway there. These are all the things that I enjoy doing, especially planning. Let's get a bit practical now, because people always say to me, "Pippa, how do I start when I don't have experience?" A lot of organizations need you to have 20 years of experience, 5 years of experience. Where do you begin? Step 1, learn the fundamentals. You need the basics, requirements, user stories, process mapping, stakeholder management. Once you know these, the role becomes less intimidating. So you really need to know these things. You need to find out for yourself. How do I learn the fundamentals of business analyst? Second thing is to build hands-on practice. Now, this is the part that separates candidates who get interviews from those who disappear into the job boards, right? You really need practice projects. You need examples that you can talk about during interviews. It's very important. Even simulated projects count as long as you can explain your thinking. Step 3, build a proper BA CV, BA resume. A business analyst CV is not just a generic CV. You're positioning your transferable skills. You're demonstrating how you think. You're showing that you can analyze, you can structure, solve, and communicate. So it's really important. Step 4 is prepare for interviews. Interview prep is not optional. You need to know how to talk through your process, how to answer the business analyst related questions, how to show confidence even when you're new. Step 5, apply strategically. You can't apply randomly or emotionally. You need to apply strategically. A handful of strong, targeted applications beats 300 rushed ones. Listen, if you are feeling overwhelmed or like you're behind and like you don't have anything to offer, honestly, you're not alone. When I started, I had none of this figured out. I made so many mistakes. I even lost roles because I didn't have guidance. So the fact that you're here learning and preparing, you're already miles ahead of where I was. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. People like you become business analysts every single day. People changing careers, people starting over, people who never saw themselves in tech, people who were scared like me, people who were tired and ready for something more, just like I was. And if you want deeper support, the exact roadmap, hands-on practice, coaching, the confidence building, the interview prep, the CV support, the community, everything I wish I had when I was starting. That's exactly why I created my well-paid BA program. I work with you step by step. We talk through real case studies. We build your CV the right way. We learn how to interview confidently through role plays. We actually have role plays in the community. You learn how to actually do the job once you're hired. So it's a complete transformation. It's not just a course. It's a mentorship and implementation transformation program, right? But if you want to learn more, the link is below. You can read the details, see what's included, and hear from people who are exactly where you are now and are now working as business analysts. And whether you join or not, I'm still rooting for you. Your life can look completely different 12 months from now. You just need to take the next step, and you deserve that. So I hope this content has been helpful. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. You never know who it might help. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.